Recent studies have sent shockwaves through the Florida housing market, revealing a startling truth. Homes in South Florida are overvalued by a staggering 35%. This revelation has ignited both anxiety and intrigue among existing homeowners and prospective buyers alike. The implications of this overvaluation are far-reaching, with the potential to reshape the financial landscape for countless Floridians. The study, conducted by, analyzed a comprehensive range of factors, including historical price trends, current market dynamics, and economic indicators. Their findings paint a clear picture of a market where prices have become detached from fundamental values. This disconnect raises critical questions about the sustainability of the current trajectory and the potential risks and opportunities that lie ahead. The 35% overvaluation figure represents the average across South Florida, with some areas experiencing even more pronounced disparities. Coastal communities, luxury properties, and areas experiencing rapid population growth are particularly susceptible to this phenomenon. The allure of Florida's sunshine, tax advantages, and lifestyle continue to attract new residents, further fueling demand and pushing prices upward. However, the specter of a potential market correction looms large. A sudden shift in market sentiment, driven by factors such as rising interest rates, economic downturn, or a decline in population influx, could trigger a price correction, leaving homeowners vulnerable to significant losses. As the Florida housing market navigates this uncharted territory, understanding the dynamics of overvaluation becomes paramount. The Florida housing market has been on an unprecedented bull run in recent years, fueled by a confluence of factors including low mortgage rates, pandemic-induced migration, and a strong economy. Home prices have skyrocketed. According to the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index, home prices in Florida surged by over 25% in 2022 alone, significantly outpacing the national average. This surge in demand has created a seller's market, with homes often receiving multiple offers above the asking price. Inventory levels have plummeted, further exacerbating the upward pressure on prices. The median home price in Miami-Dade County, for instance, has surpassed $500,000, a figure once considered unimaginable. This rapid appreciation has raised concerns about affordability, particularly for long-time residents and essential workers. The dream of home ownership is increasingly out of reach for many, as wages have failed to keep pace with soaring housing costs. The affordability crisis has far-reaching implications, potentially leading to increased inequality and social stratification. Moreover, the influx of out-of-state buyers, often with higher purchasing power, has further intensified competition in the market. While this influx has undoubtedly boosted the economy, it has also contributed to the displacement of long-time residents who can no longer afford to live in their own communities. For existing homeowners in Florida, the current market presents a paradoxical situation. On the one hand, they are sitting on a mountain of equity, with their homes worth significantly more than what they paid for them. On the other hand, this overvaluation comes with its own set of risks and challenges. The most immediate concern is the potential for a market correction. If prices were to decline, even modestly, homeowners could see their equity evaporate rapidly. This is particularly concerning for those who have taken out home equity loans or refinanced their mortgages to cash out on their equity gains. Furthermore, overvaluation can lead to higher property taxes, as assessments are often based on market values. This can put a strain on household budgets, especially for those on fixed incomes. Additionally, homeowners looking to sell and downsize within the state may find themselves priced out of their desired neighborhoods. However, there are also potential upsides for existing homeowners. The strong equity position provides a financial cushion in case of unforeseen circumstances. Homeowners can leverage their equity to fund major expenses, such as education or home renovations. Moreover, those looking to relocate to other states can potentially sell their Florida homes at a premium and purchase properties at more affordable prices elsewhere. For prospective home buyers in Florida, the current market presents a daunting challenge. The combination of high prices, limited inventory, and fierce competition can make the home buying process overwhelming and discouraging. The fear of overpaying and entering the market at its peak is a valid concern. However, amidst the uncertainty, there are potential opportunities for savvy and well-prepared buyers. Those with strong financial footing, a long-term investment horizon, and a willingness to compromise on location or amenities may still find value in the Florida market. One strategy for new homeowners is to focus on areas that are less overvalued or have greater potential for future appreciation. These could include up-and-coming neighborhoods, areas undergoing revitalization, or locations with strong job growth prospects. Additionally, exploring alternative housing options such as townhouses, condos, or duplexes can provide more affordable entry points into the market. It is crucial for new homeowners to conduct thorough due diligence, carefully analyzing market trends, neighborhood dynamics, and property values. Seeking guidance from experienced real estate agents and financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help navigate the complexities of the Florida housing market. Section 5, the double-edged sword, risks and opportunities of overvaluation. The overvaluation of the Florida housing market presents a double-edged sword, offering both significant risks and potential opportunities. Understanding these complexities is crucial for both existing homeowners and prospective buyers to make informed decisions. On the risk side, the most significant concern is a potential market correction. While predicting the timing and severity of a correction is impossible, historical data suggests that periods of rapid price appreciation are often followed by periods of stagnation or decline. A correction could be triggered by various factors such as rising interest rates, economic downturn, or a decrease in demand. Another risk is the affordability crisis. As home prices continue to outpace wage growth, more and more Floridians are being priced out of the market. This can lead to social and economic consequences, as essential workers and middle-class families struggle to afford housing in the communities where they work and live. However, overvaluation also presents opportunities. For existing homeowners, it offers a chance to leverage their equity for financial gain or to relocate to more affordable areas. For new homeowners, it provides an incentive to explore alternative housing options or consider up-and-coming neighborhoods with greater potential for future appreciation. Section 6, A Tale of Two Timelines, Short-Term versus Long-Term Market Outlook. The future of the Florida housing market is uncertain, with experts offering a range of predictions. Some believe that the current bull run has further to go, fueled by continued demand and limited supply. Others predict a correction in the near future, citing historical trends and potential economic headwinds. In the short term, the market is likely to remain competitive, with prices continuing to rise, albeit at a slower pace. Inventory levels are expected to remain low, giving sellers the upper hand in negotiations. However, rising interest rates could dampen demand, particularly among first-time buyers, potentially leading to a more balanced market. In the long term, the outlook is more nuanced. Factors such as population growth, economic development, and climate change will play a significant role in shaping the future of the Florida housing market. While the state's popularity as a retirement destination and its favorable tax environment are likely to continue attracting new residents, the increasing frequency and intensity of hurricanes and rising sea levels could pose challenges. For existing homeowners in Florida, navigating the uncertainties of the housing market requires careful planning and a long-term perspective. Here are some strategies to consider. Firstly, assess your equity position. Determine how much equity you have in your home and how comfortable you are with the level of risk associated with overvaluation. Next, consider refinancing. If you have an adjustable rate mortgage or a high interest rate, refinancing to a lower rate could save you money and reduce your monthly payments. Also, review your insurance coverage. Ensure that your homeowner's insurance provides adequate coverage for your property's current market value, especially in light of increasing hurricane risks. Plan for property taxes. Factor in potential increases in property taxes based on rising home values and adjust your budget accordingly. Lastly, explore home improvements. Consider making strategic home improvements that enhance your property's value and appeal, especially if you plan to sell in the future. For potential home buyers in Florida, entering the current market can be daunting but not impossible. Here are some tips to navigate the challenges. First, define your budget. Determine how much you can realistically afford to spend on a home, considering your income, expenses, and down payment savings. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Obtain a pre-approval from a lender to understand your borrowing power and demonstrate to sellers that you are a serious buyer. Work with an experienced real estate agent. Partner with a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent who can guide you through the process, provide market insights, and negotiate on your behalf. Be prepared to compromise. In a competitive market, be flexible with your expectations regarding location, amenities, and move-in timeline. Lastly, conduct thorough due diligence. Before making an offer, research the property's history, neighborhood, and potential risks such as flood zones or hurricane exposure. The Florida housing market is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, influenced by a complex interplay of factors. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for both buyers and sellers to make informed decisions. One key factor is the state's population growth. Florida continues to attract new residents from other states and countries, drawn by its warm climate, job opportunities, and tax advantages. This influx of new residents fuels demand for housing, putting upward pressure on prices. Another important factor is the state's economy. Florida has a diverse economy, with strong tourism, healthcare, and technology sectors. A robust economy creates jobs and attracts investment, further supporting the housing market. However, the Florida housing market also faces challenges. The state is vulnerable to hurricanes and other natural disasters, which can cause significant damage to properties and disrupt the housing market. Additionally, climate change is a growing concern, with rising sea levels and the more frequent extreme weather events posing potential risks to coastal communities. The Florida housing market is currently riding a wave of uncertainty. While the allure of sunshine and favorable tax policies continues to attract new residents and investors, the specter of overvaluation and potential market correction looms large. Existing homeowners face the dilemma of capitalizing on their equity gains versus riding out the potential storm. New homeowners, on the other hand, must navigate the challenges of affordability and competition to secure their piece of the Florida dream. Ultimately, the future of the Florida housing market remains uncertain. However, by understanding the risks and opportunities, carefully analyzing market trends, and seeking expert guidance, both existing and prospective homeowners can make informed decisions to navigate this dynamic landscape. Whether the market continues its upward trajectory or experiences a correction, one thing is certain: the Florida housing market will continue to be a story of both risk and reward.